kodwa ngawe Nkosi ngiyaphunyuka lapho ngingene ebunzimeni isandla sakho Nkosi ngiyasibona singikhulula ngiyazi baningi abafuna ukubo nokuwa kwami abanye babo ngihleka nabo kodwa bafuna.
Hello guys, Linjani. Welcome to Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events. Guys, Deb3 is there for you whenever you need them for your events, be it educational, be it social, entertainment, corporate and community events, and many more actually. So Deb3 is there for all those events. Also, Deb3 has AMA services that they provide for such events. Event planning and management. We've got PA system for hire, stage hire, lighting solutions. So guys, just make sure whenever you need Deb3, whenever you need to plan your event, whenever you have an event in store, just don't hesitate to contact Deb3 Events. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube. Nihambalo Leslie.
Yeah. Why is it Leslie? Maybe the problem.
Yes, the problem. Labantu abakajayela ukuthatshelwa so ukuthandwa so.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, mina ibizo ngu Leslie Masuku. As Nonduduzo was saying, for all your quality service, for your professional teams, if you need quality services, you visit Deb3 Events. We would also like to special mention a partner.
Skaftin
chicken. Yeah, Skaftin chicken. Nsuti nyaka nsuti andi. So we also want to special mention our partner Skaftin Chicken, Maungano Lambile. I think it's what street is that? Herbert and 7. Is it 7 or 6?
Between 7 and 6.
Between 7 and 6.
Yes.
And lo Herbert is Petu. Herbert Chitep. That's where you find Skaftin Chicken. La ogu kipu pepi. Uge mtengeli nkaragati Russia la majipsi are very at low prices. So vakasheli Skaftin Chicken and get your food there. What's up for today?
We also see Slenda bechisayo. Angubona ubhekile of prophets.
Right. Withi akha miritanis mfuhle ngutshele karezo ukuthi esikhwameni ulani kade ezimana thula mina nqam profit amvune emsindo severe awula lutho awula senti ngayithathi mali
lama binoculars. So guys, Prophet Makandiwa, he hosted a battle of prophecies. Prophecies or battle of prophets.
Was it a battle as such?
It's called a battle of prophecies. It was.
Abantu yibo abakunika ibizo lokuthi
it's a challenge.
Now what I saw a statement when he was saying you can't see everything. So if you claim that you can see everything, then come, I'll put something. So because there is a cup clash, a dance or learn, Nanze cup clash.
but the fact it's like a competition.
Yeah.
That's why we're saying it's a battle.
Yeah, it's
so
a battle.
this was done UFIC Chitungwiza.
United Family in Christ Church.
At Chitungwiza.
Yeah.
And I saw that thing. Ibe viewership, a lot of people watching. YouTube, Facebook, and
first of all, yena vele and yena ngokwakhe vele ule following a huge and then skit less abasenzile obvious it was going to bring.
Why you call it a skit?
Bra, ngicela unitshele wena one prophet umbonileyo from those 22 guys. One person that you can umbonela umfana obele rasta elifitshana okade embathile mbula apostle.
It's actually 24.
24
yes.
So umfana mina ngengikhala ngayo obele rasta elifitshana obembathile mbele imhlophe so umfana obezabonani na
ebembathile mbele imhlophe maybe ile limnika amandla you know anje ukubona igemensi yakhe ile limfaka emoyeni
le rasta
Why do we judge people by their looks anyway?
Hayi ungafuna
So, umhlangabale Rasta, akasabi
uyazi ukuthi wena nxa Karesi kungathiwa hambe kuba lipolice anti nxa uyindoda sesikwazi ukuthi kumele ukhiphe indevu kumele ube le short hair unless mawuyilabana aba investigator aba undercover but ipolice ulibona ngokuthi alila ndevu lile fine card anti why kanti into zama prophets zinganizilobo freestyle.
That's a horrible example.
Kumele kube ethical phela.
No, that's a horrible example. You remind me of issue liyane ka Dr. Lonwe essay ababemjudge because of his looks. Ukuthi ungani liginza. But he was actually kwagcina so
why vele umele ube liginza wena ngudoctor?
Why ngasilo ginza? Because he looked ugly. Not ugly. He had this
body shaming.
He had this scary look ukuthi ungambona uyamesaba.
Yeah.
But he was a doctor, a qualified doctor. So I think it's
imagine ufike laphana unconscious awuboni lutho anti then akupompa CPR unxa uphapha so umbone so awuboni ukuthi uyabuyela futhi ube unconscious.
taking you back vele indoda amadoda wonke mabi, so he was ugly like every other
so
man.
kuthi mina ngisondoda
Umuvi.
Hayi ngothoba umuntu omubi ekithi.
So let's go back to the issue at hand.
Okay, yeah. I think lokana imos beku gambling uyakudlala imos
Mos.
imos ukuthi iteam le izawina 2-1.
Angakadla. I wish I could try that, but I
haven't. Lokana
haven't.
bekusenzakala lokha imos lokha. Angazi ukuthi because that's a group of chancers. If you look most maybe ngenye ukuthi thina but esibaziyo alright bona labo bahlala bebangumsindo bona labo Freddy and what alright asibabonanga bonke bona bahlala bebangumsindo.
I think
kwathutsha abantu esingabaziyo and
you know what?
Actually,
I think people who went there. You are talking of Freddy, for instance. I think people who went there are people with nothing to lose. Freddy has a lot to lose if he fails to prophesy what is in the pocket. Yes, he had a lot to lose. So I think people that had a lot to lose didn't go there. But people who had nothing to lose, because I was actually even following on social media, Facebook, Twitter. People are actually digging up. Ukuthi lwana ngubani njengomuntu ongulesihlo bahle bakugoogle full name yakho, they check your profile Facebook on whatever, besibona ama dancehall artist, ama photographer, ama MC
yikho phela ngithi imozi phela ngabafana akade bethe namhla sikhambu kuyadlala izinja namhla siyadlala iProfess.
And the other thing another thing what I also think this type of prophets esesilabo kathesi are those people abathanda ukuba popular kakhulu. They love being popular. So I think mina ngubona kwami uMakandiwa kube sokuthule ngaye, no one was talking about him.
So
it was a way of marketing his personal brand, sort of. Because now he's trending and everyone is talking about him. Kuma newspaper, kuma WhatsApp groups. Because Makandiwa uhlala kukhulunywa ngaye phela. Engapheli iviki kungatshiwo ukuthi Makandiwa uprofessor ukuthini, Makandiwa kuthini, Makandiwa. And now ubukhohlwa lokuthi there's someone called Makandiwa.
When they angry right.
You see?
Well done to the marketing team of UFIC. Well done, guys. You guys are the best marketers. Ngile business yami so yama scores so ngicela ukuthi phela linzame noma ideas.
Yeah, so
then
now
kimi manje into ekade mbona ngathi unfair. Izinto zonke lapha nebeziphuma lapha esikhwameni lapha. Bekuyizinto ezilamabizo amakhulu esikhe ende bekulo Matsimayi lapha ngimbonile uMatsimayi lwana kade iwani mama so and uMatsimayi ubonile into zonke lezi but isikiwa manje ngabe bamnika i long time yokuthi adwebe ibhanekule.
You lie.
Adwebe ukubonile.
Utheni?
Ubeya uthi Matsimayi kavela uphuma iganga vele. But isikiwa isesimhlophileyo Matsimayi when phela binocular thermometer mouthwash Mouthwash,
Was it a mouthwash or that spray?
Mouth freshener.
Who would guess those things?
Antenna. Really, thermometer. Aye.
Where's the church? If there is someone who guessed the Bible.
Imakalite, well, Funumunde at least to a to the Leatu and Matsmaus Jonelle so. But I have a faggy elite and Pepes a wound, my watching.
Even if I believe everyone was going to guess.
I pepperly cool and corners.
If I believe in prophet.
Then it drama yakonazuti even Kazangan. Uberelum Funtisokate Gumela keeper izinto esikhomeni ukuthi ukhiphe ukhitshise yonke into keep ipatch keep itie keeper wakhipha le imbosa leqoka iskipa then keeper le ring yomthathu wakhipha iring wahamba ephakamisa isandla so
drama
lokho kumnandi lokana right mfuthale wonke ama directors e theater sebelivubile anti inama ziyakhala ubest actor ngimbonile mina ubest actor eUFI and uyishaya kuhle character like on point I think but kumnandi
and the other thing not even one face esiyibone kuthiwa this long prophet konkhadu ukuthi
yes
Ofred abayanga and stuff like that
yazi ukuthi even kungumfana omncane nje akube umfana omncane maybe abantu abakwanisa ukuthi but lo siyamazi lawo le church and uyakangene la e church abizwe papa what lapha lawana
ubona photographer wakho
ubona but mina la problem ngabona ukwanele line lapha because ngiyakwazi vela so prophet ngumuntu wamakamera
so why ungasozwele problem
kanti uyasidingela imali even angaza ehlule uqamba uthi kulana esikhwama ivenya akwazi indoda lo wamakamera lo angaqamba futhi sesitime meter le
okay so ish amakanjwa but mina ngikubona kwami I think it worked because sizakhuluma ngaye for the next maybe 2-3 weeks
yeah
kebe kukhulunywa ngaye so kumele ukuthi yena abe consistent ngokwama stance khona lokho ukuthi Karesi
marketing team I challenge you guys marketing team I million anti lokho into Karesi yenzani maybe swimming competition ukuthi oza swimmer faster than prophet ehamba phezulu kwamanzi abayabe swim
ukuthi uWicknell was actually also interested in it but
go competition
I don't know how true it is kuthiwa uWicknell uthe yena labe mapastors Emazibaba they can go there but kakhuphule imali iye ku 10 million
okay yeah
something along those lines
yeah I wouldn't see
so and I was saying guys Harare always gives us drama but all the time drama yonke ivela khona ngali
mina ngazi mina le problem but honestly like bayithi mina lingixolele bayithi don't stone me mina I love these things man abazenzayo into lezimnandi
very entertaining very entertaining
next Fred phela lawe phela yenzo kwakho
so if you check the timeline there was a week we were on politics
yes
sikubogeza kwabuya sa move saya kubo Scotland eBoreni konke sikhuluma ngeHarare khathesi sikumakantiwa
amanama lawo abelama drama awo
yeah amanama they are always happening but isikhuluma ngalezi
ezintsha
actually before makantiwa wede Wicknell silobola
kanti ulobole nini umjita
makantiwa anti bekuyizolo
umjita ulobole was it Saturday or Friday
kona lapho so we are always having drama from that side of the country
and
that's our source of entertainment
yeah mina akwenza relocate
I think ungaqualify une drama lawe I think you can fit in perfectly
but mina mina benyasibambe siwani bengiyenswele mina
you lie
okay because lapha uyabona ukuthi skill wesifunakala lapha iskill ube lo muntu in house mtshela ukuthi zwana nje mina ngingabamba imitha le half and so wena into zayenza
do you think abantu ade bekwazi ukuthi ama contents esikhwama ama pockets ubona ngani bangaki
labana bahamba laye laba
Do you think they knew?
hayi labana babekwazi labana phela anti ngama trusted what other
So when,
Phela labana
so when
and,
you think you could actually convince them to tell you.
kulabana
Eh.
nje ungavela ubone vele lama disciples angu12 kulo Judas benyamfukula mina uJudas kuhamba izwana Judy nje into eyi1 wentshela u3 ntshela okuyi1 ngeqambo kuyi1 ngithatha imeter kumeter le nyakugaya half lami
Don't you think ukhona ke wazama ubona ngani wedwa ucabangena le?
hayi abantu labana abahambileyo laba bonke laba iteam yonke la ekade layinile la baholile lo ba right kale because it was going to be an embarrassment ngaba kubuyanga umuntu when uthe kule 1 million yokuqamba into esesikhwameni qeda kungabuyi umuntu and that was going to be an embarrassment and so labana abantu laba namuhla so photograph yena lo namhla ka3 mampikitsha namhla off udimali yakhe uMatsmayila namhla vele akayo kuyedinsi cobra off usidlela imali yakhe phela ebantwini napana ijwabu ubona ijwabu leli ngelabantu abadonsa nzima leli ijwabu
So stereotype
alright ngiyaxolisa but lapha bebehasla ihasla bonke laba ungahambe badinga kuma streets eHarare abathola in the Africa Bet emozi vele besidlalela amabhiza kodwa le bafana le amabhiza lawa bamba alifuna ukuyazama ngale chitungwisi free transport free meal free accommodation plus an allowance.
So mina enye into uMankandiwa yena uthe into lay actually I don't know if it's him but I read somewhere ukuthi those thing is actually good in a way ukuthi it's going to reveal false prophets and stuff like that, but I do not think the objective, if that was the actual objective, I don't think it was met. Ngoba ama-prophets aloke ekhona endawayanga ngale akula esibaziyo esibabonayo singakwazi ukuthi bafake kumbe bayiqiniso akuconfirmekanga. You get it?
Yeah.
Mbona ngani the overall goal was not achieved.
No.
Because abantu participants that went there were not the real targeted participants.
Even nxa kuyikuthi yona le yi overall goal and then uMakandiwa sokunguye okumele yena abe nguye obamba ama false prophet yena ubanje mbani ukuthi true ani lapha nxa sokuthwala sokumele kube nxa sokunjalo sokumele kube yimi mina engingazo prophet engifaka izixubho lana bonke bona balayini. And another question is ngiba yi false prophet ngokwehluleka yini ukuqamba kusesikhwameni?
Good question.
Uprophet kumele abe wazi into ezisesikhwameni yini?
Good question.
Does that qualify me or disqualify me as a prophet ukuba wazi ukuqamba into ezisikhwameni ukuthi ngathi lapha kule spenete then sengingu prophet? Because if that is prophecy then mina kusasa it izolo ngithe ibhosi yawo ina 40 ngicela ni meet.
Because not really. When it comes to these things, if you're a spiritual leader, amandla waphiwa uNkulunkulu. That's what I know. Yeah. So nxa uNkulunkulu engavumanga ukuthi engakuphanga lawo mandla ngaleso sikhathi, does it make you fake?
No, not at all.
I think
then
I think it's a good question.
eseqedile ukuba lipa lapha there is a part where he says this does not qualify these guys to be false prophets. The fact that they did not see, I say that.
So what was the objective of this event?
You know, when he started the challenge, he was saying, if anyone says I can see everything, then that person is a liar. You can't see everything.
Okay.
Yiko mina bengikhali ukuthi laba abathi bona I mean English.
So kulobone one.
I mean English.
Did anyone see one?
Ababonanga ngitsho even ukuthi isikhwama si white. Ababonanga but labana mina mbasoli guys. Shout out to everyone that went there. You guys are pure hustlers. Ngiyalithanda gents because I'm a prophet awahambanga.
I think their reputation.
So unfair. Thina liyasonda kobulawa why lalilinga sinika in transport.
I think their reputation was at stake. their reputation was at stake. Because even if it doesn't make you a false prophet, but ama-followers akho abakubona that big guy. Because some of these prophets, they portray themselves as invincible.
Yes.
You find some of them don't even put God endaweni yakhe. Baziphakamisa bona. You see. So imagine nxa usuziphakamise ngaleyo ndlela vele abantu abo baza kubona lawe is that guy, and then you go there and fail.
Then there's a guy this is interesting. There's a guy sengikhohle ibizo lakhe owatchingayo ku-interview esithi why wena makanti ufuna ukwenza ngani nguprophet ngoba wena sowadla wasutha nxa lathi sesifuna ukudla la. And people are still flocking in and umuntu uyazikhulumela yedwa ukuthi so isikhathi sokudla wena wadla nxa thina sesifuna ukudla wena suqalisa ukwenza into zakho ezama-thermometer and it's so frustrating we hear them and telling Pastor Java will tell you to wakapusa and you still go there. Like ufunile vuliphe lokupusa sibonti mina sibisempusile. Because if that's how we are going to worship God and ukuthi sokungani mebhenxe mina ngiyisithutha then ilwana undoda lo uchumayelayo lwana uhlakaniphile, then I choose dollar deals.
Dollar deals.
Ngiyabekisayela iphile. Hayi kuvumi phela ukuthi mina nje imagine nje abantwana endlini and ngiphume mina endlini nje abantwana mina ngithi senze church ngifike lapha eChurch and labantu abamina lo nkosikazi wami labantu abami maybe abantu abami abangu2 mina lawe labantu abethu and ngifike mina lapha eChurch lapha kungena kumfana okule 18 years ngiguqa lo nkosikazi labantwana
anti kuyabe kungasomfana kuyabe ngumoya okaNkulunkulu ohlezi emfaneni.
Mina I'm a theologian. Prophet in the Old Testament, he was just a messenger. They did not have any rank yokuthi kuthiwa usemkhulu. Actually, they did not operate in the temple. It was only the priests that were in the temple. Prophets babehlala wilderness looking for messages from God that they would bring to the king, and the king would give those messages to the people. So ungabona uprofessor umele aguqelwe sigiqike simnika ama-million ebesenzeni
sikhamisa athela amanzi ngehose pipe emlonyeni.
The next thing and sesibuyela futhi lapha uthi saqalisa ukudla utshani khathesi saqalisa unathi petro hayi bakithi hayi phela izinto asithingi olive.
So moving on, like I said, Harare has been giving us drama since Vele, I don't know since when, but every week we've got something entertaining happening in that side. So we had Ilobola event ega week nil. That one was an extraordinary Lobola event because even ZBC actually aired it. It was aired on ZBC. The state broadcaster.
Imali uyabona ukuthi imali singayizondi. Imali indle. Wiki ngishaya phela. Ngishaya phela is something say imali indle. Uyabona ukuthi imali iyayenza ukuthi wenze loba yini so oyifunayo. Imali. Because I'm not sure but ngizwa ngani ukuphuma abo 300,000.
Yeah. Now, do you know ukuthi mina ngile kunyokuyi question mark. Ngingazi ukuthi esishoneni kwenziwa kanjani. But esintwini nxa ungahamba usiyalobola ufika ubizelwe ukuthi sifuna inkomo ezingu8. Ngathi hayi ngiyafaka 1 extra. Uyazi ukuthi ungaphuma ungamlobolanga umntwana wakho.
Ikudelela. But manje no nguwiki lo obuyileyo koncube wafika layenza konke likwenza layenza litheze liqedile wasesithi mina mfuna ukubonga bakithi ingilosi leli ninika yona le nge300,000 aziphumi induku aziphumi
you know what
induku ziphuma nxa usengezelele ngenkomo eyi-1 ngoba inkomo yi-400 300,000
mana kancane Leslie uyakwazi uthi nani the difference between ama-cultures ethu right abantu besintwini are very proud people if man
all right.
abantu besintwini bengithi abantu for instance ngithi abesindebeleni are a very very proud group ukuthi kwesisikhathi noma imali eyifuna the fact yokuthi sumtshengisele ukumdelela bekwazi ukuyala eyifuna because ungakhangela umkhwenyana uzolobola seposter ngiyabanika imali engaka bangathi vele sokufaka ama-selfie vele kuthiwa i-video ngiyabanika imali engaka bangathi ivele ngizafaka enye phezulu ngizathi ngithi lokhana the way okululazisayo like Ndebele people don't want that.
All right. Mina mfu correct into ezingu-2. Abantu besintwini were very proud people.
They still are.
No, they are not. Uyabona ukuthi kulezinye izinto ebezingayenziwa esintwini esezisenziwa manje kumalobola day and you'd wonder ukuthi why are we doing this? For example, esintwini ukulobola kwesintwini bekulesintu sakho. And ayikhona lokana uthi thwaso kubizwa makhelwane sokusiba yilobola day sokufaka amabhana.
So
mana le mali vele bachuma bonke so akabuyi weekend.
Ukuthi uzubona ukuthi into le ivela siyonto yakithani. Wakozwa ukuthiwa lobola squad.
Ngobulawa.
Kuthiwa Rora squad.
Ayikhona ilobola squad.
Hayi.
Ikhona.
Ungaze ngizwe.
Ikhona ilobola squad mina MC.
Lobola squad.
Uthi speaking about into le lobola le. Nanzela ukuthi even kuma socials abantu abesishone enzibini. Abaningi they were against it. I think into isintu vele kahle kahle isintu khasi yafanana. Ngabe kuchiyana enukubizene ukuthi kule wathu unonga mandevu wathu but i-culture ngani yafana because mbona abantu abaningi besishoneni bekusola kakhulu.
Yes.
So iko sembuya khona no khona ukuthi kahle kahle vele ilobola ngelani.
Yeah.
Singaqalisela khona apho I think singaphuma to something.
Mina ngikwazi kwami
ukuthi ilobola kahle kahle lona ngelani.
The entire event ilobola yona nti esintwini kuthiwa kulobotshelwa abantwana but the entire initiative ngiyokuyakha ubuhlobo between the groom's family and the bride's family. Ayisiyo yokuthenga umakoti.
Yes,
and ngiyokwakha ubuhlobo. Although khona ukuthi kuyabe kuchiyena ukuthi ama stages angikhona ama processes angikhona kuyabe kuchiyena but I think that's the meaning of it.
Because ngoba enye into chief ungakhangela ama cultures vele awe Africa alokuhambelana kakhulu sibili and ukuthi mina I've been fortunate sibili uku MC even international thing and ukuthi umuntu wayevele eBotswana wabuya esizolobola umuntu wesintwini nga so there are Tswana culture labo ukuthi senza so and but ungakukhangela kabe kusehlukana nje into ezincane ukuthi ngapha kuthiwa amatekenya ndevu ngapha kulelinye ibizo but kabe kuphose kuhambelana but that pride of culture ayisekho vele across all cultures ayisekho karesi anemari ndiyano tonga ukuthi ngoba ungakhangela even amandebele we have lost that pride of ubundebele in terms of into zelobola
because ilobola
inkomo zakudala ungakhangela even nxa singabuyela I stand to be corrected chief ijaha lalingazilobolela umfazi ijaha lalilotsholelwa umfazi ngubaba and yikho umakoti lo obuyayo wayengabuyi ukuthiwa ngumalukazana but ngumntwana walapha ekhaya and but khathesi babe bebona ukuthi umjidu udonsa nzima nangoyana nje lo chair udonsa nzima ebusebenza angazi
Ubaba uyalobola ngani nxa etshone line le NASA ngale line lipensheni.
Akusela cult.
Ipensheni.
Ama pressures elobole vele ungathi check up proper.
Akuseyikho vele.
Asemanengi.
Akuseyikho vele. So
That
the
is
culture
no,
has
no.
been lost. Ngoba even umuntu oyele nkomo eyodwa wayelobole. Ngoba
Ungela
amalobolo bekuthiwa awapheli even ungela.
Longela
Belihamba ngakhonko okuncane lakho liyehlangana njengemula likhulumelana uzokuthiwa siyamthanda umkhwenyana ngoba kasidelelanga. Ubuyile wazobona nti samiyamukela nti sesikwazi ukuthi umntwana wethu kakho koncube ungale komasuka. Kare sokumele ukuthi wena uzuthayi 4 million.
Mina uWicknell ngingamsola ngingamsoli.
I'm sorry.
Because
I'm soon.
I'm sorry.
Mana ngikutshela ukuthi why mina ngingamsola.
Fakiwe already.
Mana ngikutshele the reason why ngingamsola he's not a private person. He's a public figure anyway. And
That I know.
ngiyakhona apha and a public figure enjalo. Almost everyone knows his character. And the character that he portrays. Singazi eyakhe behind closed doors, but the character that he portrays. So nxa isithi uzolobola umntana wakho, uvelwe amazi ukuthi vele yena akala into okuthiwa intimate thing. Ngoba thina ilobola ngikwazi ukuthi is a very intimate and delicate and private event. But lo uyaziwa ukuthi vele even with the former wife uyazi ukuthi vele akala into okuthiwa privacy. Yonke into yakhe is out there for the world to see. So la nxa uvele wavuma ebuye sithi ngizove uvele ususubscribeile wavuma ama terms and conditions ukuthi hayi thina vele life yethu vele is going to be public. So la nxa ungubaba omntwana yena lo usithi wena
ngifuna ukuchaya eceleni mbijana. uWicknell ngiyambona ngiyamsola futhi ngento ayenzile embili ayenzile. Nomela singakufaka kanjani? Because
imali ngathi
hayi imali siyayibona but ikule culture asifake Leslie wena self ule mali zakho would you do the same yini ukwazi ukuthi le mali zakho uyenza even imali ingafikanga to that level uyenza more similar because it's not like ukuthi uWicknell yethu bakhona abanye abantu.
Yes, I wanted to go there.
Yes.
Into le ibisingani competition and Wicknell to break the record. Because I remember only 10 were trender. Good talk keep I'm not sure whether it was 15 or 20,000.
20 something.
Tina Mtarisi were trender futhi la guthiwa ukhiphe khona ngale kibo 20. So Wicknell had to show them ukuthi I'm the big boss and then when maybe by happy but yazi ukuthi ngiyazibuza so ukuthi kuyimi mina ubaba zala and every time nxa ninatha lapha zingikhumbuza about wena phela unathi inkomo zazingayehlukaniswe ekhaya ukuthi lezi zivele komkhwenyana lezi ngeza la zazifika nje zingene kompazikwane but ungabona ezivele komkhwenyana sezinganise zingu400 lina belivele le 3
bengifuna ufika khona ukuthi cause manje sithole injongo le ndikimbi ukwenzela ukuthi like amajita abuyayo bebekwazi bephence ukuthi ilobola kahle kahle livela ngapha lona liyini sizama ukulibreaka down ngoku-understanda kwethu because singayenza lokho kwakhathi sokwenzakala kufaka ipressure that's why ubona abantu abaningi bengasaloboli
but bafuna abafana
abaningi
bafuna like mina especially if you talk to young guys
you guys are very interesting lithi abafana bafuna ukulobola abakwanisa ukulobola
abaningi
I'm going somewhere with this. I'm going somewhere with this. Sibafuna abakwanisi because kuyadura.
Not ukuthi badura.
Hayi hamba
no hayi nyayizwe into yakho ukuthi it's too steep and the pressure and stuff like that. Now into khona ukuthi amadoda leyo miselana. Ngoba nababiza ilobola.
Hayi ilobola lizwa ngamadoda
this issue indaba le mele li discuss e men's conference le
ilobola lizwa ngamadoda
libizwa ngoba
imuli ziyahlangana phela imuli yahlangana
let's be realistic
mana phela ngikutshela uyakwazi ukuthi mina nxa sensiyalobola umuntu engiqala ukukhuluma laye auntie walapha enyakhona
Exactly, yes.
Nxa uyikahle kahle.
ngimchasisele ngize ngimchasisele lokuthi nile malini yena nguyofika ngala spy ngalo ukuthi umfana lo obuyayo lo usebenza zeBbank uhamba ngemothenje ngoba umuntu engiyazana naye
nxa uthele $20 asoze babize 100 umuntu abantu abadictator uyazi uthini lina likhuluma the way okumele kuyenzakale ngayo but mina ngikhuluma okuyikho okuyenzakalayo athi wena khathesi usitshela into okumele yenzakale mina ngikhuluma into that is there on the ground it's men who come up with these ridiculous prices.
No, bemfuku uya khona apho. Right. Ani sikhuluma ngama pressures okuyenzakala kathesi. Uyathola ukuthi usiye ku auntie, vele u auntie sevele wakufa ipressure wathi ufuna ulobola uno. No does not come cheap.
Uno le degree.
Uyabona? U auntie mentality sehle wawutshela ufuna ulobola uno.
Awusabuyi ve.
Wena usebenzi.
Ngiyembuzi.
Yeah. Yabona lapho kuqala khona indaba.
Buzi.
U-auntie uyabesho njalo ku-one.
Auntie
vele obviously is on the side eyakonkazana. Obviously. Angeke abe sesayidini lapho.
Akuyenzi.
Vele angeke athi don't worry uza afford. Angeke atsho njalo vele it doesn't make sense ukuthi atsho njalo. But vele ayisuye ozafika ngalethi bhuti faka inkomo thena ayisuye.
But u-auntie suka sebe siyahlala phela njengemuni. Kulabantu ababuya 1 2 3 4 5.
Exactly.
Mina
ngisekuthini u-auntie i-influence on the amount. I-influence yakhe is not, of course it's significant but ayisiyo yo sibile determine ukuthi kuzabizwa malini u-auntie.
But
u-auntie alipendele picture phela.
Adule asibo boba.
Yibo.
Do you know ukuthi even usuqedile ukulobola nje especially esoneni kuyabuya ngosipara kuthatha uyakuzononga
anti culture yabo
sengiqedile phela ukulobola nje abafuni kunonga ama$5
Livele lobolelana esoneni. People should marry within their cultures. Within their cultures. Shona to shona, ndebele to ndebele. No crisscross. No.
Ilavela khona.
Ini.
Ilavela. Mina ngashela. Vele ilavela khona. Mina ngashela kade izintombi ebengakwazi ngumandlovu kumbe ngumabala.
Let me tell you something. I know Lizayala, but take it or leave it.
But
I'm telling you the truth. I want to tell you the truth today. Lingangiphazamisi lingiyekele ngiqede. Ishona alilobola ishona. Indebele alilobola indebele. Ikhalanga alithatha ikhalanga. Because into leyo ku crisscrossa leyi guys. Iba lama issues even because we're not only talking about the lobola day, the wedding day. Even ekuphileni kwenu lisiya phambili kuba lama issues vele there is always problems are bound to happen because the cultures are totally different. So ukuzwisisana kwenu kuzaba nzima kakhulu.
Nalami mfuna ukungenela ethando. Njeka lesi siphila labo khala ngalenkosi, siphila labo mendime, siphila
ukhala ngalenkosi bakhona amanye amakhala ngaMr.
But uyabethandane lami. Uyabethandane lami.
eZimbabwe khathesi akusela Ndebele, akusela Shona, akusela Khalanga. Akula muntu khathesi ongahlangana laye lapha uthi nanti nguni.
Yeah, but I'm against
akusela khathesi akusela.
Mina personally I'm against intertribal marriages.
Befuna ukubuza something.
Akusela khathesi.
Alright, bese mina ngihlangane lawo mancu. Angikwazi umancu mina ngumondoro wathi la mina sivelele endaweni zami. Siklik sivibe.
Sizaklik kanjani singazana amabizo?
Hayi amabizo sikhuluma mina ngiachi
usibonga ngobani?
Ngukhathele.
Wena ubona
ubaba wabaleka sonke besukhathele.
Ubona ngani kungaze ukuthi so ngingazi ukuthi udabuka ngapi?
Yeah.
No.
So mele hayi bafo so mele nxa sisiklikile singathandana.
Vele ukuklikha iwenzani?
Mina
awukhombisa sizwanane.
Uzaklikha kanjani lo muntu wemondoro wena ungwetsho locho?
Besides
how do you click with such a person?
Mina ngisithi ngilonokho lapha besides ukuthi ukuklikha kwethu siba ngo2 ukuklikha kwama families
Exactly.
consider kona lokho
Families play a huge
Lelo
role.
consider kona lokho
Alright man, mfuku ubuza umbuzo ungakasuke emayikini nani. Wena ungwanga.
mina ngokwamahlaba ethwala
Wezwa.
hayi ikho lapha esakhile khona ikho lapha
Uyakwazi
esakhile
ukuthi
Bekule labantu khona ngani.
uyakwazi ukuthi
Safika sahlala khona.
Lafika livela nga.
Leslie,
sidabuke emzansi
Asiwazi khona okuvela
You know what?
kulandebele,
You know what?
akula shona, akula tonga, akula khalanga. Ngabantu
Right.
abasizwe
Right.
sikamthwakazi esezimbabwe.
Leslie, good. Usukhulume khona lapha. Usubuza ukuthi udabuka ngaphi, wakutshela ukuthi udabuka ngapha. Yikho lapha kwazi khona. So akadile
Mina
la
ngithi-
kwaziyo.
Leslie,
Do you know
mina-
ukuthi kwamahlaba ethwale ngama 21 phela eFlabus. Hambe kwenza isurvey kade eseFlabus. And ubone ukuthi kulabo madamomba abanjani, abomofu abangaka.
Uyabona ukuthi nani?
Mina bengithi-
Many
Yikho
other
okucina-
surnames there. And
Yikho okucina kusenza ukuthi sikhale ngamalobolana lawo because siyabe sikwazi ukuthi esishoneni vele ilobola iyachargewa ikhona ukudlala and kulama expenses amaningi wena
No.
usuka ngapha
Ayi,
usuka ngapha
ayi.
and you wouldn't understand
Ayi,
that
ayi,
culture
ayi.
eyokunonka yena leyi kithi ayikho.
Lama I don't agree.
Zwana lalela usufika ngale bayenza isiko labo eli right usufika wena usukhomplayina ngesiko labo ngoba wena ujayelo kwakini so kungani
Ngizobuza
ususenza abantu laba bengabantu ababi.
Ngicelana ubuza umbuzo. La, ngicelana ubuza umbuzo. Lonke antweni ugiya ngesiko lakho. Wena nje and khathesi ungumama. And maybe 4-6 years from now sungalobolisa. Suke wahlaliswa phansi ini ngabadala bakufundisa ukuthi kulotsholiswa njani.
Khona
Awukwazi.
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 Eh.
So iculture
Yes.
ayisekho.
iculture yikho
Ayisekho.
befu
Ayisekho
we
iculture.
do not necessarily have to be taught ngokufika ngihlaliswe phansi ngiyazibonela
I-
usu
i-
attend
experience.
Ngaphi?
mina la i-experience I-experience
Lina,
Loboliswa sisi,
mana nilitshele. Do you know ukuthi nxa wena
alright
uyakukopa lapha uyakwazi ukuthi i-freestyle ya.
Leslie nxa ungakwazi
I-freestyle lapha
Uyakwazi
uyakopa
ukuthi
lapha.
nani-
Ayikho njalo, iculture ibifundiswa.
ukuqeda umsindo Leslie
Ubufundiswa isintu.
nxa wena right nxa ungafundiswanga i-culture yangini kuthi ukuthi i-culture uyazi ungacomplaini ngabanonkayo lapha
Hayi mina
Because you
ngithi
know
uright
nothing.
mina. Mina ngithi
No.
ngiyakusupporta.
mina yasithini
Mina ngithi ngihappy.
uyasindaba sithini Jay ngithe mina sesichayiseni sazwanana lokho okunye somele sikuqamule ngenxa ukuthi lwana ngumhlobo lo mina ngumhlobo lo
exactly yes Yes.
isiqamula uthando
Hayi,
ngenxa
no.
ukuthi
Hayi.
Yes.
omunye ngumshono omunye umdebeli
Hayi, no.
hayi
Because
mina ke
Inter-
nguyala
Vele-
khona
Intertribal marriages
why
are
kumele
a disaster.
sikuqamule sokusethandweni nxa kuyikuthi sibe sifuqamula sithini alright even mina ibusiness angeni le business
Yes.
partner owangale ngoba
Yes.
uzabuya lo mkhuba wakhe nami aphambanisa ibusiness lami why kumele uqanyule sokusethandweni because do you know what business is commitment
exactly thank you
so i-relationship yami iyosebenza ama-ethics society our society
Exactly.
never
That's a social issue. That's a business issue. Two different fields.
lina lizama ukubaleka le
Asibaleki.
bacatsha
so
Bacatsha.
so unto
Bacatsha.
Intertribal marriages are always a disaster, guys. They are always a disaster.
Hayi, but
Ngoba
bakhona
khona-
always.
ngokuya
Not always.
kwesikhathi- most
Not
of the
always.
time.
Not always, no.
Ngokuya kwesikhathi.
Lama, I-
Listen,
I
guys.
disagree.
Ngokuya
Lama, I
kwesikhathi.
disagree.
Uyazi uthini? In most cases,
Hayi.
okay, let me not say always. In
asithina
most
abalandeli
cases,
ngesizwe
Besibawu-
lapho
Awulwela.
okuba lama intertribal marriages khona ukhona ohlukumezekayo in that marriage throughout ukhona
madoda
ohlukumezekayo
abantu bayathandana ngemihlobo hayi
khonapho ukuthi bahlangene amandebeli angu-2 kuhlukumezwana kakhulu kwampa
Abantu ba-
because
abantu
nxa sesifuna ukubuyela sibile sindebeleni anti akumelanga mina mbe lo nkosikazi oyedwa nxa sesibuyela sibile sindebeleni
usudigressa nje
anti-grace anilapha sesikhuluma isintu la anti the
Now,
more the
right,
cows the more
right,
the women
exactly ukade mfundo yakhona ukuthi zwana
And-
ukuba labafazi abaningi it's not wrong
Wena ungakuvuma wena uba ngwesi-3.
Ngiyakhonapho.
What
Ma-
year?
Mana ngiyakhonapho.
What year?
Mana phela ngikhuluma. Yazi ukuthi ukuba labafazi abaningi isithembu is not wrong. The question is ekuthini because if nxa ungumuntu obeliever kulobola it means you are a traditional man.
hayi
And-
amaKristu abelieve kulo.
Yes, yes,
Mana
yes.
hayi
Hayi.
hayi
Akula ndawo eBhayibhelini iBhayibheli liyala amalobolo.
mana ngiyakhona
Unga.
ngicela ukukhuluma.
Eh.
It means you are a traditional man nxa ubusy ngento zokuthatha abafazi abaningi anti
Cultural.
right. As a traditional man, are you able to be the protector, the provider of 5 wives? It becomes wrong nxa wena Leslie wena awula mali. So ufuna abafazi abangu-5. It becomes wrong.
Indaba.
Uyabathini uyabanikani?
Bavuka lapha beseqwa.
Anti yabo? Then it becomes wrong.
Anti
But
mina ngilensima enkulu.
if you can provide,
Ngilensima
if you
enkulu.
can provide and protect, and by providing, we're not only talking about money and food.
Use
We're also talking about conjugal needs.
ule 300.
Can you ngibuza
Amapostori jikala lutho amanye. Uthi umntwana abafazi 5. Hayi.
mina ngokubona kwami
Okunye sukhaya.
from my own
Conjugal, angila conjugal.
from my point of view, I think you have to be able to provide.
Amapostori jingabembiza labana mfite.
Esifusayo.
Abafazi bababhizi. Abafazi bababhizi. Hayi tsona
Ngoba
sikhaya.
angeke uthathe abafazi abangu-5 ubalambise. You can't do that.
Abalambi abafazi bamapostori basebenza.
Bakhethileyo wena ungabalweli.
Enxe kukhona lapha abadla khona. Who knows?
Abafazi
Hayi,
bamapostori.
siyabazi ngabantu.
Abafazi basipostori sesibabonile.
Siyabazi isikuthi bahlala Israel.
Abafazi bamapostori
Hlala
basebenza.
labo.
Abamethi babathengisayo.
Amamethi osipateleni.
Umember.
So it doesn't mean ukuthi just because bayakwenza bona la uyabubona ukuthi into le ayikho right, but just because someone is doing it doesn't make it right. When you can't have 5
Just
wives
because you are not doing it doesn't
Leslie
make it wrong.
njengawe
Just
Leslie
because you are not doing it doesn't make it wrong.
Leslie mina njengawe ngokukwazi kwami wena
Nemali
personally
mina.
you just need one, you are good.
Nale mali mina. Yikuthi imali yempela ayikaqala ukukhanya because use Karisi yakhuluma sikuchat.
But madoda sibe serious. I-pressure esifakiwe emaloboleni is just too much.
It's nonsense.
And isiko leliyana somele likhangelwe kuhle kuhle.
I-pressure ifakwa ngobaba, ifakwa kwabanye
Hayi,
obaba.
Hayi.
I-pressure elobola.
Singakufuqeli kibo baba because at the end of the day
Zimule ezihlala.
abantwana bethu babe bemithiswa bechiya siloko sithi pressure ikibo baba. Because gentlemen are afraid now to come ukuzosiveza ukuthi yimi
Exactly.
umkhwenyana.
Talking about
Let's
issue
fake
yokumithiswa
pressure.
kuchiwa. Issue yokumithiswa kuchiwa. There's this narrative where people always think ukuthi umuntu angakumithisa lehlukane ukumithise wakuchiya.
Limithiseni. Lachiyana.
Because do you know what? Khathesi we are in a situation ukuthi marriage is not attractive anymore. And you find there are a lot of women mina that I've met that I know abathi mina I don't want to get married, I just want kids.
Yeah, lamajita.
Then the next thing sumbona sengizithwele ngingela ring susithi bamithise bangichiya.
Right. Mina I want to say, all right. Labo women abathi I don't want to get married, I just want kids. Background kuyabe kulento wrong.
No.
You don't just wake up in the morning and say I want to engage into a
Khathesi,
sexual activity
Leslie,
with someone,
Leslie.
then carry their kid, then walk away.
Leslie, I want you to give me
Use Zimbabwe,
Leslie.
ulindebeli.
Leslie,
Aye.
can you give me a straightforward answer? I want to ask you a question. Right.
Straightforward answer.
A straightforward answer.
Straightforward answer.
As a woman, I have a source of income, financial security, right? I'm doing it on my own. And
Baning.
Yes.
right. Can you tell me what exactly are the benefits of me getting into a marital institution?
All right. Asihambe ku marital institution. Singafuna ukufaka i-marital institution le mali vele akuseyikho vele.
Thank you.
Okuyizinto konke okuhambi konke vele.
Right.
Yikubona
Into
abantu
ezenzakala-
abathandanayo laba bentshenku abalala phandle so uthola belele eFrantini bethandana. And
Because it's because
so okwenza wena
because
imali
they have nothing-
uzimagnify idlula indoda and kulento wrong ngawe.
why kumele ukuthi why
Kulento wrong
hayi
ngawe.
umbuzo wami usuye
Kulento
ukuthini
efuna ukulungiswa lapha kumele uye ku $1 million clash.
umbuzo
uye
wami
keep
Zwane,
isixubu.
umbuzo wami usuye ukuthini okay since I can provide for myself why kumele ngibe le ndoda okuzamele ngiyiphekele ngiyiklinele ngiyiwatchele lapho we're talking of reality singakhuluma manje ukuthi kuthiwa ama-chores ayashewa wathola because we know ukuthi vele amadoda kungathiwa gesani imgani so kungathiwa ngithe angisakufuni
Njengalezi
Alright.
e-UK.
you remember yes so mina sokumele ngapha ngiyasokola ngidinga imali ngapha sokumele ngitake care of you ngapha kumele ngizala abantwana I would rather just have my money and my kids and ngingabi lawe because when you be another
Yiyo
dependent
yona leyo okuthiwa yi-abnormality yomuntu ongumama. Umuntu ongumama from umntwana from emncane so umntwana oyinkazana uphiwa odoli uthengelwa umganu upheka amatopa and what why ufundiswa ukuba ngumama even angaze abe le mali enjani kumele abe kwazi ukutshuba umntwana
Wena.
ukupheka ukugezisa
Yes.
yi-definition yomuntu okuthiwa ngumama
Funa singene
so
ku-reality.
ungabona
Emsebenzini,
usungumama othwala nzima ngokugezisa imiganu buye phela kithi ngibobaba
Uyazi uthini? Uyazi-
lama kids akhona ungawadingi
guys you have so many unrealistic expectations because khathesa
Ye, mina ngifuna sibe
umuntu
realistic.
because ungabe ungumama ungagezisi imiganu.
umuntu uphuma emsebenzini ekuseni utshone edinga imali sonke sifika endlini ngo-6 we are both tired why should I be the one who should be on her toes to make sure that wena ulala udlile because nxa usukhuluma ngalokho ukukhuluma yani kukhulunywa ngabomama abahlezi ezindlini vele those kept women abavele befuna vele ukuthi owabo umsebenzi vele kasebenzi okumsebenzi ukugcina umuzi ukugcina abantwana ukugcina indoda
bana wami lingamlaleli uno ngiyacela
but seriously
lingamlaleli
khathesi futhi imsebenzi yani umuntu ongumama uyakwanisa ukuthi yabona abantu laba abagebhayo laba abagebha
ama-marriages aphele nini ama-marriages ukuthi awasela order the introduction of abo 50-50 and what and it really mattered submission omama bazibona sebe equal to men which is a lie that will never ever happen and so because of that ususiyafika kibo 40 years ngale you become so lonely ngemali yakho eningi and all that you have and uyaqalisa ukuba lonely and
that's a tired argument
usube lonely because zananzelela khona ukuqhakatheka komuntu ongubaba ngamanga lawo kuleyo
we have seen social research studies that prove ukuthi men are lonelier than women single men are lonelier than women. We've seen those.
Yes, we agree.
So that's a tired threat.
That doesn't
Uzaguga wedwa uzaba lonely. That's a tired one. And also, mesakhuluma ukuthi imsebenzi these days imsebenzi iyachiyana. Uyathola kulabo mama abasebenza ukugebha imgelo la. Imgelo le micro whatever fiber ntonton. You find women doing those kind of jobs. Right.
Yes.
Exactly. Nxa kuyi-50-50 emsebenzini waye kungabi 50-50 endlini. Ngoba no Zwana umuntu lo utshone esenza umsebenzi that's hard labor. Efika endlini she's tired, her feet are tired, her hands have blisters and everything. You expect ukuthi wena maybe usebenza in an office kulama aircon and everything. Okwakho vele uhlezi nje phambi kwecomputer. Uyehleka nje ukuthi stretch ugesi imgalo. You expect umuntu lwana ovela gebha imgelo ngale ukuthi abuye akuphekele akuwatshele.
No mention something ukuthi omama ama duties avele engawabo iwapha. Somebody said ukuthi irole ka mama is to form the hardware side of the family.
Yes.
Pheka sidle skills. My duty as a man is to carry the software things. Management, leadership, controlling, decision making.
Yeah.
So mina ukudla ngebe ngupheka kabe kuvela nga.
Awukuthi kuvele
ngaphi
ungabona vele usule mentality ukuthi ngivele imali eningi kulawe awusenguyimama vele because Oh, amankazana akade
So-
silaba
so
osisi
wena
bama-diploma.
ungumanager,
Bangabona ngathi yibo
guys.
amankazana okuqala ukuthola
So-
imali
so-
eningi. We have abalozi K that were skilled fighters and ababekwanisa ukwenza yonke into but babengomama.
So
And
wena
omama
ungumanager.
bakudala,
So wena uba ngumanager wemali yethu.
omama bakudala, Chief, you can agree with me. Omama bakudala, they were more hard workers than omama bakhathesi.
So let's-
Bebesenza imisebenzi ekhaya, belima, obaba besempini le, or obaba besema-industry besebenza, and umumbu linyiwe, inkomo zifuyiwe, everything is there, and they still remained submissive.
So-
Bebephekela ubaba,
so-
bebeguqa benika
so,
ubaba ukudla,
Leslie-
bebesenza yonke into, and ubaba sometimes ahlale 3 months engaholanga. Bathengisa umumbu ekhaya ukuthi ubaba abuye azokuba ngubaba ekhaya.
So-
Ungabona wena usuchallenge ubaba ngoba le mali. Hayi.
So Leslie,
Aye.
lifuna ukuthi ubaba abe ngumanager wemali yethu. Mina ngimphekela. So uyabe ngicommanda lapha endlini imali yethu.
Yeah.
Guys, it won't work. Let's be realistic. It won't work.
Yona le khuluma
And
aso
another thing,
reality.
another thing.
Inkanuko.
No,
I reality to mama kabe ngumama.
Yikho lingasaloboli
ubaba
phela.
abe-
Another
esiyalobolelana umuntu
thing
ofuba
is submission.
Ngalobola indoda.
It's submission, guys. You don't demand submission. It doesn't. If you demand,
But you want to go
also demand, you're not man enough. It's submission. It comes naturally. Why? Because of the authority wena, or the authority that you use wena ngwakho. So
Right. No, no.
nxa ngikugcinile,
No,
nxa
no.
ngikugcinile, you are my dependent. Vele, I won't even feel that authority that you have. Do you get it? If you are my dependent, udla mina, ulala mina, konke yimi.
But
And you
yabona
want
ukufa
me
kwekhaya yikho
to be
kusipho khona la.
submissive to you.
Ukufa kwekha ngoba ubegiya kade sunonoza ngoba uNdebele anti sebulahle. Kathesi akula na 5 minutes.
Culture
Ubegiya
evolves.
ngoba uNdebele anti.
Culture
Kumele
evolves.
mina ngikhetha anti between unonoza othi uindependent olindebele anti lesiswami
Right.
uzumba maramba kufunga
Lalela.
othi hayi mina
Nxa-
indoda
nxa-
ngiyayihlonipha
guys, nxa
even
lifuna- nxa lifuna-
CEO wezimra.
Nxa lifuna sigiye
Because mina
ngobundebele
ngifuna
Leslie.
umfazi.
Nxa lifuna sigiye
Angifuni
ngobundebele.
indoda.
Then be the provider, not me.
Isilwane ezingumama siyazingela ukudlula isilwane.
But uyabona
esindoda.
ukuthi ukufa kweculture kukusilethe khona la.
Yes because ukuthi wena wakhulele emulini right anti wahanjiswa esikolo esidulayo anti mina ngisokola ngala anti lami ngiya hard worker because mvuke kuseni ngisechova every day anti hyper ngibuye le $12.
Vele as a man,
Wena-
why do you earn less than your wife?
Ay.
right
Why?
siyabonga kakhulu.
Why?
Can I try to answer that?
Why do you earn less than your wife? Why do you earn less than your wife?
Bathandekayo bakithi silahlekelwe ngumama ongumCID bakithi udutshiliwe phumula hayi it's so painful.
Yeah.
Hayi it's so painful bakithi and besenza umsebenzi wamadoda bamdubula.
No, guys, we can't
Ayedlala,
we can't laugh about that.
Lesifunduma.
We can't make jokes like that.
Afuna victim. Amdubula abadubula abafana abadubula.
But I said
Yeah.
It's something else, yeah.
So I read something from Harare News. Harare News, they are saying not even one person from that Lozi K crew attended a funeral service. It was written by Tim Indoor. I read it around 4 or 3 hours ago, and it's saying not even one person from a unit Leana Besebenza Lozi K.
all women were.
Yes, and Ibati Lozi K. So
I
they're
think-
saying
I think-
not
I
even
think-
one person attended.
I think
Then-
it's sorry ukubamba
Yeah.
Leslie. I think it's important that we mention her name,
Or Kazan. Kazan.
Cassandra Hove. Like she was a
kumele sihambe size
detective constable. Yeah, it's
Amarenklawa.
be respectful like that.
Amarenklawa, I'm confused.
Mention the name.
Detective Constable.
Cassandra Hove.
Kazan, yeah.
Yeah.
So, ngazi because that ngapha butwa udutshulwe ngombhobho
So it was a
womsebenzi.
friendly fire.
A
Yes.
friendly fire, basically meaning
what we
it was
saw
a
on
police
Probably, yes.
Yeah, and not probably. Vele nxa kuthiwa friendly fire batsho ukuthi umbhobho wamapolisa udubule uKhasana. So esingawaziyo ukuthi amapolisa abexotshaniswa yiwo amasela kumbudujulwe kona internal. Because kuthi into ezimbili and kuthi ukuthi engxenye yamasela lawa kade exotshaniswa ngamapolisa.
What?
Or from the team kwampana.
Oh, bebethathela amapolisa imbhobho.
La amasela.
I think
It can
when
happen.
it's friendly fire.
Kanti chief amapolisa angadisarmwa anti kuyenza report.
Yeah,
And
kufanele kube.
so nxa kuyikuthi bekungumbhobho okade
Expecting ngengce
ungamapolisa but disarm it means
Guys,
besokukhona somewhere ku record ukuthi umbhobho lo awuseyo
I
wamapolisa.
don't think nxa
Vele
amapolisa
nxa besithi-
kuyiwo akade engamasela amdubula. I don't think it will be termed a friendly fire.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a
Yeah.
friendly fire when kusuka from her team.
It makes it worse when they don't attend the funeral service with this air that is rotating and
Raises a lot of questions.
it raises a lot of because if they are there and they are the ones that are saying whosoever did this to our friend sizamthola whether it's internal because you see IDP this is a trusted department yibo abantu bokuthi nxa omiripirisa behlekile lapha uze kuthiwa ikasi kulama CID so liyabe lingena endlini ngo5 because liyakwazi ukuthi asokubuye but ababuyi emfeni yomngane wabo usufile anti wena wathi singabuyi
Asomngani, your colleague.
but lebe silingabangane untshonto wena ngeke undithengele 2 size
I keep it professional.
hayi so I mina kuyangikhuba because
Yeah, it's
Kwethusa.
actually a very sad incident, but it's also raising a lot of questions. And now the thing is, maybe it's because basa investigator because abakhulumi the kulokho kuthiwa
kulama gaps amaningi no when I was reading that article angazi nxa lifutshala cha team indoor he was saying ifamily yadilewa ukutshelwa ngokufa kaKhasana so they were told 4 hours after according to that article.
Okay.
And so spokesperson sengikhohle ibizo lakhe and he was saying number 1 siyaphuza ukutshelwa ngokufa kwakhe and number 2 even there was an issue again ngepostmortem ukuthi kwangani sokusenzakala kakhulu esipoliseni and the family was less involved there and they're saying why then kuthi sokube njalo then lingabuyi futhi emfeni.
It raises a lot of eyebrows.
Angazi andilina yini limetsa
bekufakile khona lapho nxa be-involved ababukeli
nxa likwazi guys like sincedeni bakithi I think lingafaka maybe ama comments akwanisa ukuqhubeka ngako next episode because what's happening enxe kulesihlobo eseduze tell us because I think whosoever that Ndoro guy interviewed a family member and the family member according to ukubhala kwetimbolo bachinga sibili bathi kari indaba kanti Ndoro labo
Because it's a serious issue.
manje alright kulo awuzwanga
Anzwa.
Good.
It's a serious issue ekuthini before wakhulunywa ukuthi it was a friendly fire. Do you know ukuthi I could see empathy from people. In as much as sihlala sibona ama video amapolice echaywa and stuff like that. This was just extreme.
No,
And everyone and all the comments ekade ngwabona, people were sympathetic, people were empathizing with the
No, team Los K abantu bebeyithanda because abaqalisanga manje ukuthandwa ngabantu. Ngakhangela sibe they were on trend and bebesenza kuhle sibili bebe smart. I remember if you remember mama lwana bulala umkakhe labantwana and even indlela babemthatha ngayo wangaraswa behamba la kuhle ukuthi hayi no sifuna ukudinga bebesebenza abantu laba and so abantu sibili bese bebathanda sibethi lami I would follow these guys and sometimes ubabona trade god lapha bebe smart bebe shama black and white lama bulletproof bebe smart sibili ubongasithwele intombi ukuthi mina ntana lamali so abantu bebebathanda that's why phela bekule trend I think 2 weeks back and yokuthawa kwamapolice bekulama video aseculator sebejikela emgelweni abagqoma uniform laba. But with these guys now it was different. People loved them.
Bebelesithunzi, balesithunzi. What is it
bebehlonipheka, bebetholakala endabeni ezilohlonzi. Like they were not just all over. Uthiwa imota ilamthelo $3. No, they were there. Besenza umsebenzi wabo. So that's why ubona ukuthi even like people are still talking about this. Okay. Kari lithina angazi kumbunyathi sekhulume anything, but angezwa any press briefing from unyathi the police spokesperson and maybe nxa kungikhutile, but angezwa lutho from mama search engwenzileyo. Even the friendly thing, ibe official statement sibe.
When I was just seeing news outlets.
And anti phela ama bullet lawana abele number lompopo phela belikwazi ukuthi nxa kuyi
akukabi le information ebambekayo sibili.
Is it not 3 days or so? Lakhathesi
They will holding information. Maybe basa investigator and stuff like that.
bakithi asinikeni abantu abalahlekelweyo ukuthula. Let's give them peace.
Guys, it's too much.
Yeah, it's just too much.
Because Konale Pumula, they were there for robbers.
Yes, they were on duty, these guys. They were on duty and asihlonipheni abantu abasemsebenzi. And if family kades babe besithi umama abantwana abangu4 bathi umama kakho semsebenzini, and these guys maybe they would work ebusuku awuthola isikhathi sokuba labantu abakho and then awuthola ama answers nxa sokwenzakala into enje so and kuyashoka ukuthi even sechweni nxa kuthiwa i-department lakhe belingekho phela umuntu lo nxa efe on duty umuntu lo yihero lo.
Exactly, yes.
Yihero umuntu lo why kumele kube lula nje kuphela ukuthi hayi sechwenile then sokudlula nibe kumele sike sizwe Doves lapha kukhala ama kukhanya ukuthi hayi kufa umuntu obesemsebenzini and because there are guys that are doing nothing ukuthi angafa la saba magnify so I imuli kayithola ukuthula bayi let's say something asikhulumeni and let's say whatever that we know babekwazi labo ukuthi umntana abo utshone njani uthi omunye umama ubesechinge sesithi umncwabeni phela lini
Eish.
umncwabeni anti lina ngumuntu wenu yazenzela i-postmortem alesitshela ukuthi sedujiliwe alesitshela ukuthi sefile umncwabeni.
Yeah, that's a tricky one.
Yeah, very tricky.
So we are ending our today's episode on a very, very sad note. So guys, sesivalelisa ungangikhali.
Whoa, sesivalelisa. Ora, mina singaka set note. Mina I think very episode yanamuhla ilama set note ango 3. Number 1. 20 something men and the late betle ubambi binocular. That's ridiculous. That's very ridiculous. Number 2, me and my broke wallet. I said, "Look, keep it 300,000."
I'm telling somebody who udlala.
Eish, bra. Aye. Then
Sisalobola kodwa.
amna mnanzalobola mina.
Lobolani type zeni.
Akula mfazi okuthiwa lo yi-C type lo yi-classic lo akula nto enjalo why uthiwa mina le type
kanti yena 300,000
nangu mzikiwo bayidinga njengefamily bafuvula ibhizinesi abantu labo and 300,000 isibuyile alright
Uzabona ama-pressure ama-families kade singama-30,000 ilobole liyakhwela sithwele nzima esingakaloboli
manje uzayenza njani lesi uzayenza njani
sesingakhala ukuthi siyafuna ulobola but into esiyilobolelayo siyayithola singalobolanga.
from me and the crew behind the scenes.
Guys, you know, that's our cue. That's our cue. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please, we want to hear your comments. Mina, don't do to Leslie City. Guys, bye-bye. See you again.
Sizalibona. Singalibheka.